Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Happy Audiologist Day to all. Today, we all have gathered from Telangana Audiologist and Speech and Language Pathologists Association and as well as our institutions, Alia Vajang National Institute for Speech and Hearing Disabilities, Southern Regional Center, and as well as dignitaries and as well as the senior peoples like our advisory members, Premnath sir and other people, and EC members of TASALPA. We are very obliged and happy to see such an occasion where we are gathered here on a beautiful world platform, national, international. People have come here. Even this Honorable Health Minister of Telangana have also graced the occasion, and he has pre-inaugurated and addressed the gathering, and the importance of audiologists also was said by the Honorable ex-minister. Now, today we are very happy to inform you in a large number that who is an audiologist, whom to contact if any hearing related problem, whom to contact if you have any speech and language related problem. It is that audiologists and speech and language pathologists who clearly, completely, comprehensively tests speech and language disorders, hearing disorders, and also addresses all the issues related to speech and hearing problem. So I request, appeal all the general members who are watching this and to spread the news and this awareness to the needy as well as old people and lay persons who don't know the importance of audiologist and speech and language pathologist. And it is to remember you that each and every member, every person, he will be having hearing related problems due to aging in above 60 and above years, and as well as speech and language problems are also very common during 3 to 5 years. So parents, those who are very concerned about the children, their speech and language, please consult a speech and language pathologist, and you will feel the importance of him after realizing that how they improve it. And this is a non-medical service where it is more important and behavioral one. So I request once again everyone to consult speech and language pathologist and audiologist primarily for any speech and hearing related problems. Primarily the first one has to go there. And as well as now I congratulate our president Dr. Kanakapati Nagendra and our Honorable General Secretary Imad Khan, and as well as my team TASALPA EC members Srivastav and as well as others like EC members also were there in this occasion. We all congratulate each and every person that you have come up. This idea was taken from our EC members and it was implemented beautifully with the team effort. Here we can see our Dr. Madhusudan Reddy and as well as our Dr. Nagendra and Srivastav and as well as Imad and myself and including Premnath sir and other Venkat, Narayan and other people all have come, and we have taken the help from our young dynamic students of ASLP. They are budding ASLPs who are getting training from Alia Vajang National Institute for Speech and Hearing Disabilities. Now, once again I appeal that everyone to consult audiologist and speech and language pathologist first if you have any speech and hearing related problem, and as well as now I once again heartily congratulate each and every audiologist and speech and language pathologist across the world. We thank you all for your great service. Please spread the news, make awareness so that all will come to know and we will get importance at large. Thank you all.